Good day, everyone. So for today, I will introduce to you the introduction to Tkinter. So what is a Tkinter? So basically, a Tkinter is a Python library that is commonly used in constructing GUI applications. So before we start, let's first install Tkinter in our system. So in order to do this, we must first open a console or a terminal, then type pip install tk. So after installing the tkinter module, let's try building our first GUI using tkinter. So since tkinter is a module, we must first input tkinter. Then create a new variable tk.tk. This line here basically creates a tkinter. This is required since this creates the file for tkinter or the application for tkinter. So what if we want to customize the size and title for our tkinter? So type your variable that geometry, then the desired size, then window that title and the desired title for your application. So let's try running this code. As you can see, the title is password and the size is 500 by 500. But as you can observe that the application is empty. So what if we want to add content in your Tkinter project? So there are plenty widgets that can be used in adding contents in your Tkinter project. So one of the widgets that can be used are label. So let's try using this widget, label. So label basically means you are adding a one line in your application. So let's try running this code. As you can see, the size is 250 to 50. The title is testing. And we added a new variable, tk.label. We use the widget label. Then window, comma, text equals the content for our application. As you can observe, we successfully added testing in our application. So let's try this exercise. What if someone asks you to create an app that asks for name and email? Try also incorporating the geometry managers. So geometry managers are basically allows us arranging the widgets in our application. So these two are commonly used in arranging widgets. So let's try creating an app. So import, create a TK, customize the size and title, then add the name and email for your application. So tk.label, window, comma, text equals name, and that place. So why did we add this um method, that place? So we added that place so we can arrange the widgets in the application. So what if we remove this two here? So let's try removing this two. Oh, s- as you can see, the text name and email didn't add. So it is important to use that place so that these two here can be added in the application since that label only adds a single liner in the application. So let's bring back the that place. Now let's discuss this last two code. So basically this two code here adds the entry method. So tk.entry, then the name of your tkinter file. So let's try running this code. As you can see, we managed to add entry in our application. So basically entry means we can input something in the tkinter. So let's try adding my name, Aaron, and my email, Aaron Valencia. So what if we want to add a clickable GUI? It is very simple. Just like we did earlier, we add new variable, then tk.button method, then text equals the title for your button. So let's try running this code. So as you can see, we successfully added a button here. Let's try. Aaron, then my email, Aaron Yahoo. Then submit. As you can see, the submit button is clickable. So that's it. Thank you for listening to my tutorial.